Hi, in this video I will show you how to import CSV into Google Sheets. First you log in to Google Sheets. I will provide the Google Sheets link into the article. Next is we will create an empty sheets. Click on this button and this is a new spreadsheet. It's very easy to import CSV to Google Sheets. So go to File, um, then Import, and then Upload, and then select a file from your device. So with this, you will upload a CSV file from your local stations to Google Sheets. Click on that. Go to your CSV file. The default configuration should be work just fine. So if you click the import button, import data button, and there you go. Uh, so Google Sheet has successfully imported correctly all the fields and all the rows from the CSV. That's it. Thank you for watching.